Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing trick where you can be able to make up to 140 USD per any sale you made. So with this affiliate marketing you can be able to make such amount of money. What you only need is to have your internet and mobile phone or laptop, or maybe the tablets, whichever tools that you can be able to use to access the internet. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my computer as normal, and you can be also able to use your mobile phone, your tablet, and any device that you can be able to use to access the internet. So once you're there, what you need to do is to come and browse. We're gonna be using HubSpot. You know, HubSpot is one of the popular platforms around the globe, which is in part of software and tools for you can see it's market for marketer or marketing products, for inbound marketing, sales, and the customer services product. So what we need to do, we need to first click here and see. You can see now HubSpot stock is all costing about this one. It has been increased by 22.76 as you see as of 22 April. So what I need to do now, what I'm gonna do is to come here to this HubSpot, the first website. I have to open it first of all. After opening HubSpot, it is gonna be directing me to the platform itself, and you know it's normal all affiliate marketing, as the affiliate marketing itself says, you're gonna be making money as commission you're earning, and also this commission is always coming from the sales you have generated or the people you have referred to come and purchase the given services or product from two different company or two different affiliate partner. As you see now, we are having these different products. You can see they are explaining what they do. You can get some of free services, you can get some plans. You see they are talking about AI powered reporting. So you can have a lot of tools here, or marketing tools and the other tools that can be helping you to make money online. So also when it comes to affiliate marketing, what I always explore is what kind of products or services do the given affiliate partner series or affiliate company series. So you have to come and see, mostly if you are having the pricings here, that means those are the product they are having. And also you can be clicking here on the products, and once you click on the products, you can see they have marketing hub where they have a free and the premium plans. You can see if you click on free and the premium plans, you can be able to get to understand this one, and you cannot see the pricings at the moment. However, what you can do is to scroll down and see. You can see they have marketing software that grows with you, and they have different categories of package. They have starter, which is where you can be able to pay 20 USD per month. They have professional plan where you can be able to pay 190 USD per month, and they have enterprise package where you can be able to pay 3,600 USD per month, which is having 5 seats or 5 prices. You can be able to use it by 5 people. For instance, you can see even you can be able to get a demo of premium editions to be able to understand how all these features will be able to work for you, and also to be able to know how you can be able to explain to someone who you want to refer to come and purchase the given services here. So what you need to do is to come here and lead everything in free, multiple currencies. You can see campaign management, SEO, social media, custom reporting, rate scoring. You see they're having different categories of services, and also these are the services or the benefits you can be able to get from using these HubSpot tools. So now we want to understand how much money you can be able to make. First of all, I come to this pricing section, and I first understand simply to come here and understand these pricing sections. And also what I need to do is to come here and you can see if I come to these pricing sections and I click on it, I'm gonna get to understand different kind of pricings they have generally, which are gonna be making me understand which amount of money I can be able to make. For instance, let's say that we are going to consider the marketing hub for business enterprises or for the individuals. For the individuals, you can see they have 15 USD per month for a single seat, USD 50 per month. You can see they have USD 800 per month for professionals. But let's consider for businesses, or you have referred someone from business package. These are going to be understandable for you. You can see the minimum amount that business or that enterprises can be able to pay is USD 800 per month. And also, let's say now you're gonna be referring someone who's gonna be paying USD 800 per month, and you can see the features are described below for each one. 5,000 campaigns per account, up to 550 connected accounts. You can see now you can be able to get to understand this one. And also there is 3,000 and 600 USD, which is including 5 seats. And if you're gonna be multiplying, you can see that there is a big benefit of buying this one if you are a big company having a multiple seats as well. So what you need to do, I need to scroll down at the bottom. First of all, I need to click on the affiliate program. After clicking on the affiliate program link, you can see this is the bottom down here, and I'm gonna be clicking on it. You can see. So after clicking on this affiliate program link, I'm gonna be also continuing to understand if this one can be able to make me such amount of money, which is maybe 240, as I said, or more. So now you can see what they say is turn your business expertise into revenue. You can be able to earn up to 1,000 per sale. It is free to join. So now let's say when they talk about 1,000 per sale, let's try to go down and calculate. They are talking about here how much money you can be able to make as commission. You can see if it's from starter, you can be able to earn 30%, super locket and the elite 30%. But if you're gonna leave someone from elite package, you're gonna be earning also you're gonna be earning a custom commission, which is gonna be discussable, or which is gonna be told about by also the team. So let's now see that the company has purchased it. So what they consider to be a starter affiliate partner is you will be a starter if you are referred the people who you are referred between 0 and 29 sign up per month. And it will be SP Rocket, Super Rocket, SP Rocket. Once you have referred 30 people up to 99 sign-ups within a single month, and it will be on Merit package once you have referred 100 people plus. So now let's see. Now you will be able to earn 30% as commission. Let's now try to be able to multiply this amount. So we have found that this pricings is 800 times 30%. This is gonna be 340 USD. You can be able to earn from this package you have found, which is costing 800. And also let's see if this one is for 6,000. Let's come back again and open this into new tab and see. This one is costing 3,000 and 600 times 40%. So you're gonna be earning 1,080 USD per single sale if you manage to refer the given enterprises, which is can be able to purchase this one. But if it's this one, you can be able to earn 240 USD per sale, which is 30% of the sale you have made. So now you can see this is a big amount of money you can be able to earn from this one, while only referring people to come and use these services. If they are using marketing services, reporting, and other software services which are needed, also you can be joining this platform and also start your affiliate marketing. Now to get started, it's very simple. What you need to do, as you see, you have scroll down, you have to come here to this at the bottom of it, and you click on this become an affiliate. Once you're done, you have to click on it. You're gonna be opening this link. So here is what they suggest you to do. If you want to be an affiliate, you need to contact them to become an affiliate. What you need to do is to click here on it, and you see they are now opening the email. Of course, if you wait the email to open, then you have to write an email to them. You can see it's automatically open in the Outlook, or you can either go into your email and use this email to send them a message. Also join the program. They will review your application, and also after reviewing your application, you can see once you contacted them, so you send an email to them with your interest in the program, including your website and the promotional plan. Also they will review a promotion plan and they'll get back to you within 2 to 3 business days. If you are running with the program and have HubSpot brand or requirements, also they will give you an affiliate marketing platform. And also you have to combine your expertise with your experience to promote. Now you will be able to start making money and also earn recurring revenue to share for every customer. This is a very big and a very great opportunity, affiliate marketing opportunity. If you can be able to earn a recurring commission, which is such an amount of money, that is also a great deal that you can be able to work and also be able to make money. Thank you for watching this video. So remember to like the video, share it to your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to also turn notification button so as you always get notified whenever we upload a new video here at Max TV.